Hi, good morning everyone. Good morning, sir. This is Teacher Althea, and today I'm going to present my lecture demonstration in mathematics. So without further ado, let's start. First things first is we will start with our preparatory activity. First is the prayer. So in this part, I will ask my students to stand and someone will lead the prayer. It is also a reminder that it is important to start our day with a prayer to help our lessons be filled with guidance, fun, and excitement. So after the prayer is we will proceed to our greetings. So in this part, I will greet my students a good morning and ask them how are you feeling? Are they feeling happy, sad, or anything that they feel? After the greeting is, I will proceed to the classroom management, where I will ask them to pick up the pieces of paper, arrange your chairs properly, and to review the classroom rules such as be kind to others, get to class on time, listen carefully to your teacher, follow the instructions that your teacher give you, come to class with everything that you need, and keep your classroom clean. After the classroom management is I will be checking the attendance, where I will do a roll calling of names in order to check the students who are present and who are the absentees of the day. After checking the attendance is we will proceed to our learning objectives and allow me to read my learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the grade for students with 75% accuracy are expected to understand how to calculate the areas of triangles using appropriate formulas, show interest and appreciation in solving geometric problems through class and group activities, and physically engage in a hat treasure hunt representing a clue to identifying triangular shapes. So after the learning objectives is we will proceed to our motivation. So in this activity it is called the hat treasure hunt, where I will hide hats around the classroom and each hat has a letter under it to form the word open, and it also has the clue to the next location. So in the final location, the students will be able to collect 4 hats forming the word open, and the problem will be open and posted by me. So, the first group to finish will win. So, the instruction for this one is I will give each group a starting clue. For example, find the first hat where we keep our books, after which the students will find the hat and the next clue. After, as they will continue following clues and collecting hats as they go. And at the final location, they will use the collected hats to connect the letters forming a word open, and I will open the problem and post it on the board. After opening the problem and post it on the board, I will let them read the problem. And the problem goes like this. AJ wants to buy a triangular hat for his costume. He goes in a supermarket and there he finds so many hats. Help AJ find the hats he wants for his costume. After which is I will proceed to the analysis, where I will ask questions to my students regarding to our activity. After the analysis is I will introduce them to our lesson, and our lesson for today is about finding the area of a triangle. Here in the instruction is I will start first with the vocabulary words such as the area and the triangle in order to give them a simple definition of what we are going to talk about today. After which is I will proceed to discussing them about finding the area of a triangle, giving them examples and formulas in order to get the area of a triangle. After which is I will be giving them another example in order to deepen their understanding about finding the area of a triangle. After the discussion is we will proceed to the application, where I divided the class into 4 groups and each of the group will be given a specific task to do. So these practice exercises will help them deepen their knowledge about finding the area of a triangle. After the application is we will proceed to the assessment, and I will let them solve the following. In this part, it is my way to assess how far they've learned from the topic. After the assessment is we will proceed to the assignment, where I will ask them to answer the table in their respective homes. But after the assignment is we will be checking the learning objectives if we have attained all of them. So the first one is understand how to calculate the areas of triangles using appropriate formulas. So we have attained it in abstraction. So second one is to show interest and appreciation in solving geometric problems through class and group activities, and we have attained it in application. So the third one is physically engaged in a hat treasure hunt, representing a clue to identifying triangular shapes, and we have attained it in motivation. So that would be all. Thank you and have a nice day.